And here we are in Elche. Never been to Elche before, have we?
No.
Is it Elche?
Elche.
Elche. Elche.
Elche, I think.
Yeah. So we've just parked, this is the car park, and it's just come out onto right into the centre of Elche. We can even see the Basilica there, just with a blue top, just in the distance. Some nice little fountains here by the castle.
Does that say Elche there in greenery?
Yeah.
Let's have a look at that.
You're going to stand in front of it so we can have a touristy type picture. Yvonne's busy now taking a picture.
Taking a picture of Elche. I want to take a picture of the fountain. Right, done it.
Go on then.
We're in Elche.
We are exploring the beautiful city of Elche, home to Europe's largest palm grove and one of Spain's hidden gems, from the stunning UNESCO-listed Palmeral to charming streets packed with history, culture and amazing local food. Elche surprised us at every turn. In this video, we wander through the famous palm gardens, discover the city's Moorish history and soak up the relaxed Spanish atmosphere that makes Elche so special. If you love authentic Spain away from the usual tourist crowds, this one's for you. Elche is one of the oldest cities in Spain, with a history going back more than 2,000 years. The area was first settled by the Iberians before being occupied by the Romans and later the Moors, all of whom left their mark on the city. Today Elche has a population of around 240,000 people, making it one of the largest cities in the Alicante province on the Costa Blanca. It's best known for its incredible palm grove, the Palmeral of Elche, which is the largest in Europe with over 200,000 palm trees spread throughout the city. The main indoor market in Elche is the Central Market, and it's one of the city's best places to experience real everyday Spanish life. It's not polished and touristy like some of the big city markets. This is where locals actually shop for food every day. The original market building dates back to 1961, although the market itself has been part of Elche life for much longer. Right now the market is operating from a temporary location while the historic central building undergoes a major renovation. Inside the market you'll find around 150 stalls selling fresh fruit and vegetables from the Elche countryside, fish and seafood from nearby Santa Paula, meats, olives, pickles, spices, breads and pastries, local produce from the Costa Blanca region. The atmosphere is busy, noisy, friendly and wonderfully Spanish. Stallholders shouting prices, locals discussing tomatoes like they're judging a wine competition, and queues forming at the best ham counters before lunchtime. One of the best stories in Elche at the moment is a long-awaited redevelopment of the historic market building. After years of delays and political arguments, work is finally underway on an £8.8 million renovation project that will modernise the market while preserving its historic character. The new version of the market is planned to include traditional food stalls, small tapas and gastronomy areas, outdoor-style access to some units, and the restoration of archaeological remains underneath the market, including old Arab baths and Civil War shelters. The castle next to the Palm Park in Elche is usually known as Palau dels Altamira, also called the Altamira Palace. It sits right beside El Palmeral, right in the historic centre of Elche. It's one of the most important historic buildings of the city, and parts of it date back to the 12th and 13th centuries during the Islamic Moorish period. Originally it was built as a fortress to help defend the old walled city of Elche. Later, after the Christian reconquest, it became the residence of local nobles and visiting royalty.
And we've got Martin and Angela, who very kindly given us a lift. And we're just looking now for somewhere to have a coffee, aren't we? Let's go and see if we can find a coffee. We've got the protection from the sun up there, look, but
they think of everything, don't they?
And the rain.
but now it's protection from the rain.
Multitasking.
So it's a little bit rainy today, isn't it?
It is, for now.
Lovely little square here with the lovely flowers. Really well maintained. Beautiful trees. Elche known, of course, for its fabulous palm trees. So I think we found somewhere for a coffee. We've got a Tex-Mex with nanchos and peppery Camaro, is it? Looks nice. We're going over the bridge at Elche, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're going to see the palm trees, aren't we?
Lots of palm trees.
So we're going to see the palm trees.
Elche is very famous for the palm trees.
Elche is the palm tree capital of the world.
The world?
Yeah, why not? It's supposed to be Europe, but let's say the world just to round it up a bit.
El Mundo.
El Mundo, is that the world?
The world.
There we go. An inscription there from Don Quixote. Now then, is this fella having a wee behind the trees? He's not showing much respect for the park. Oh, we'll let him off. We haven't caught him with his pants down, have we? But what a lovely park, what a lovely place to come and sit and have your din-dins.
You brought a picnic.
Have your sandwiches.
Lighthouse.
Was that a lighthouse? Oh, look, the doves.
Oh, look at these.
The Palmeral is one of the most unique places in Spain and is actually the largest palm grove in Europe, with more than 200,000 palm trees spread across the city and surrounding orchards.
Yeah, it's definitely a penguin.
Much of what you see today was developed during the Moorish rule over 1,000 years ago, using advanced irrigation systems brought from North Africa and the Middle East. The park areas around the historic centre are beautifully laid out with palm-lined walkways, fountains and ponds, shaded gardens, bridges and water channels, exotic plants and flowers, and quiet seating areas beneath the palms. It has a very different atmosphere from most Spanish parks, almost like a small oasis city. In summer, the shade from the palm trees make it much cooler than the surrounding streets, which explains why locals love wandering through here in the evenings. One of the most famous sections is the Huerto de Cura, home to the imperial palm, a huge multi-branched palm tree that's become a symbol of Elche. The whole palm grove system is incredibly important historically because it still follows the old Islamic-style irrigation layout created centuries ago. UNESCO recognised it as a World Heritage Site in 2000 because it's considered one of the best examples of Arab agriculture design in Europe.
Do I have to be in the middle, or once I get down?
No, you've got to be at this left-hand side.
There.
Yeah. I said we're just recreating now the famous Taj Mahal picture with Princess Diana. Yvonne's just getting into position very elegantly, and she's just about to.
Elegantly.
I think you put your knees together like this. Actually, that's it. Yeah, that's it. That's just recreating now the Princess Diana picture. There we go. Can we get it all in frame? And there we are. We've been whisked to India.
You can help me up now.
No. So I reckon this is one of the best parks I've ever seen in Spain. Our park in Torrevieja is really nice, the Park of Nations. If you haven't been, go and have a look. This one is outstanding in the fact that, you know, there's a lot of history, a lot of sculptures, lots of things to look at, beautiful flowers, benches to sit on, lovely scenery everywhere, very, very Moors orientated with the Moors buildings, and the palm trees, absolutely beautiful palm trees. A fantastic place to come and visit. So if you come to Elche, pop in and have a look.
Must visit.
The famous church with the blue dome in Elche is the Basílica de Santa María, the city's most important church and one of its best known landmarks. It sits right in the historic centre near the Altamira Palace and the palm groves, and that striking blue tile dome can be seen from all over the city. The church you see today was mainly built between the 17th and 18th centuries in a Baroque style, although it actually stands on the site of an older medieval church which itself was built over a former mosque for many centuries. One of the basilica's biggest claims to fame is that it hosts the Misteri de Elche, a famous medieval religious drama performed every August. It's so important culturally that UNESCO declared it part of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity. During the performances, actors are usually lowered from the church ceiling using historic stage machinery inside the dome area, which probably makes this one of the few churches where people literally descend from the heavens on cue. Inside, the basilica is grand but elegant, with huge ornate altars, gold detailing, tall vaulted ceilings, large religious paintings and impressive acoustics. The bell tower is also open to visitors at certain times, and climbing it gives amazing views over Elche's palm groves, rooftops and surrounding countryside. It really sums up Elche perfectly. History, religion, architecture and palm trees all wrapped together in one place. So that's our little look round the beautiful city of Elche, from the incredible palm trees and historic castle to the bustling central market and the hidden history around every corner. It's one of those places that really surprised us. A proper Spanish city with so much character, history and atmosphere, yet still somehow feels calm and relaxed at the same time.
Left onto Avinguda de la Comunitat Valenciana. Then take the first left onto
Yeah, it's been a great day, really enjoyed it. And on that note, from the palm trees in Elche to the palm trees in Torrevieja, it's time to wrap the video up. So thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already.
Because it's free.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell.
3,
2, 1.
Bing!
Adios.